What's up, Good Morning America? I am Tayshia.
No, you're supposed to say 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, America! It's Tayshia
And Kaitlyn.
and we are here at the premiere event for
Michelle's season.
The Bachelorette. Can't wait for you guys to watch it.
It's gonna be incredible.
Yeah, premieres October 19th.
I want to give like a huge teaser. Like,
Okay.
it's gonna be the most romantic season of all time.
That's what I said.
Oh, well then we're
my
on the same
God,
page.
we're
Wow,
freaking
we
good at
should like
this.
be hosts together.
Oh my God, let's think about it, yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm here at the Bachelorette premiere for Michelle's season. Be sure to follow along.
It's not going to be the first thing that I do for educators, but it's a start, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you, and you deserve this, and you can also do it.
Hi, Good Morning America. It's Michelle Young, your newest Bachelorette. Don't forget to tune in on Tuesday as you watch my premiere kickoff.